Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payroll year-end forms into ADP portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring payroll year-end forms into the ADP portal, start by logging into your ADP account. Enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the My Company or Employee Administration section, depending on your portal version. Locate the Payroll tab and click on it. In the drop-down menu, find the option titled Year-End Forms. Click on Year-End Forms to access the necessary tools for the transfer. Here, you will see options for uploading year-end forms. Select the Upload button or link available on the page. You will then be prompted to choose files from your device. Select the appropriate year-end forms you wish to transfer, ensuring they are in the correct format. After selecting the files, click on the Open button to upload them to the portal. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Review the uploaded forms to ensure they are accurate and complete. If you notice any discrepancies, you may need to re-upload the corrected documents. For any issues during the upload, check the file format and size limitations specified in the portal. If you encounter further problems, contact ADP support for assistance. After confirming the forms are correctly uploaded, navigate back to the Payroll tab. Here, you can proceed to finalize the year-end processing. Follow any additional prompts to complete the year-end procedures as required. Finally, make sure to log out of your ADP account for security purposes. Your payroll year-end forms are now successfully transferred into the ADP portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.